The Boos Aluminum Foundry Company. Service, craftsmanship, quality. The Boos Aluminum Foundry Company has been supplying quality aluminum sand castings on schedule at competitive prices since 1933. It is a tradition we are proud to continue as we complete our 7th decade in business. In the world where just-in-time inventory and fast-track production have become standard operating procedures, Boos Aluminum still provides personal attention to detail on every project we undertake. Our goal, our only goal, is to ensure complete customer satisfaction. Working in the heart of Pennsylvania Dutch country, Boos Aluminum craftsmen combine experience, old-fashioned work ethic, and modern technology to create castings of unsurpassed quality. No matter how large or how small the job, Boos Aluminum works to Aluminum Association specifications and military standards, with strict adherence to customer specifications. Even before your castings go to production, our engineering staff is ready and available to assist you in the development stages of your new product and work closely with you to identify and address potential problems before they occur. Then, during every step of the manufacturing process, we submit your project to our rigorous quality control procedures. Taken together, these measures ensure the highest level of quality for every casting we produce. Boos Aluminum Foundry has a long history and an outstanding reputation as the supplier of aluminum alloy sand castings to commercial and consumer markets. Our diverse customer base comes from virtually all facets of American industry, from the military and defense to medical and marine, from tool manufacturing to the food industry, and from automotive to furniture and recreation. Our customers include General Electric, Siemens, L3 Communications, Philips Medical Systems, Fairchild, Ridge Tool, BAE Systems, and many others. Throughout Boos Aluminum Foundry history, one thing has not changed: Boos Aluminum's unwavering commitment to complete customer satisfaction. Let's take a closer look at how we accomplish this. The heart of our business is our 100,000 plus square foot foundry operation, where thousands of different parts are produced. Boos Aluminum can produce castings that range from ounces to 2,000 pounds. We pour 10 alloys regularly and will pour others per customer requirements. Quality castings are produced using 40 square HWS cope and drag line with robotic pouring, Mark III tensile test machine, Vericheck optical emission spectrometer, 8 digital controlled 2,400 pound electric melt furnaces, as well as a 3,000 pound Morgan gas melt furnace, Gaylord cold box core machine, Harrison shell core machine, Richards sand reclaimer, Premier dual station heat treat furnaces. Our turnkey process begins with the earliest possible customer involvement. Boos Aluminum's third generation leadership and 35 plus years of experience allow the right questions to be asked and to listen with interest to the customer's answers. Our expert production staff and friendly customer staff can identify and correct any potential problems long before the first piece goes into the production process, resulting in a cost-effective and accurate design. Another important part of the process is the design and construction of the Boos Aluminum pattern equipment. Experienced craftsmen build wood, urethane, and metal patterns to exact standards, assuring perfect fitting parts for years of dependable service. Craftsmanship remains as the cornerstone of value at Boos Aluminum Foundry Incorporated. More than a third of Boos Aluminum employees have 10 or more years of service to the company. All workmanship must comply with Boos Aluminum's Internal Quality Control, or MPC, Manufacturing Process Control, Aluminum Association specifications, and military standards and procedures. Our MPC program offers visual confirmation of the product, process description by department, and written specifications on shop orders, making sure each and every part is closely monitored throughout the entire manufacturing process to ensure compliance with the customer's purchase order, drawings, specifications, and requirements. Boos Aluminum is currently working toward ISO registration. These measures ensure the highest level of quality for every casting produced. Strict quality control is a hallmark of the Boos process and your guarantee of satisfaction. At Boos, quality is incorporated into every phase of the production process to ensure that your castings meet your exact specifications. Our commitment to quality is your assurance of quality products. Our testing processes include chemical analysis presents digital readout before heats are poured. Sand testing builds product integrity. We dimensionally inspect your castings using calibrated layout equipment. Qualified operators perform non-destructive radiography test. Our dye-penetrate facility checks for the obvious and obscure. Pressure testing ensures leak-proof parts. Our skilled technicians perform to specifications certified physical testing. Our certified welders meet federal standards. Calibrated furnaces are used for all alloy heat treatment. In addition, Boos Aluminum is committed to a clean environment by reducing hazardous waste. Boos utilizes a complete sand reclamation system which cleans, sizes, and prepares the used sand for repeated use. Boos Aluminum also offers a large variety of value-added services. Talk to our sales rep to find out how we may be of help to you. At Boos Aluminum, the customer always comes first. Boos services all of North America and the global markets from our Reamstown, Pennsylvania location. Well known throughout American industry for its standards of quality, craftsmanship, and service, Boos ensures customer satisfaction through personal attention to all the details on every project regardless of size. Let us show you why we believe customer loyalty is earned every day. With 7 decades of leadership in the aluminum castings industry, state-of-the-art equipment, and a quality workforce, you will be glad you chose Boos Aluminum Foundry. So call us at 1-800-394-5125 or 717-336-5581 or visit our website at www.boosealum.com. At Boos Aluminum, your satisfaction is our #1 objective.